Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Amazon favorites. Okay, we have a lot of stuff to go through, okay? We have a little bit of skincare. We have tons of jewelry. I have been on this like jewelry kick lately. And so anytime that I can't find a product, my mind is always like, Amazon. So I'm going to show you guys my absolutely favorite products from Amazon. I'm also going to show you just some things that I think are like necessities, okay? You don't want these, you need them. And if you don't need them, then you're going to want them. So if you guys want to see my Amazon favorites, what I love, live, die, breathe for from Amazon, then go ahead and keep on watching. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first product that I wanted to share with you guys is this face roller right here. If you guys have been following me for a while, if you've seen any of my last videos, I mentioned in a few of them that I really wanted to invest into either a jade roller or a rose quartz roller. So today's video is actually sponsored by Desert Wing. We partnered up to show you guys the cool benefits of a face roller and all that stuff. Again, if you guys follow me on my social medias, you might have seen that I posted this on my Snapchat and on my Insta story. So this is what it comes with. This is a brand, Desert Wing. As you can see, it comes with the face roller and then the gua sha. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. I hate butchering stuff. So I'm just going to leave all the information in the description box. With the box, it comes with directions on how to use the roller. You can really use it on your face. The gua sha, you can use it on your body, arms, legs, pretty much anywhere. So when you open the box, it comes with your little case. And this, oh my god, this matches me. Anyway, so this is what it comes in. This is where you're going to keep them. What I like about this is that obviously you can keep the box, and I do keep it just so I can remind myself and look back at the directions. But this one is super travel friendly. Now when you take it out, this is the rose quartz face roller. Now this stone is the stone of love, so take it as you will. You know, if you are into like stones and like the healing and the powers behind them, that's a really cool thing to know. Also, what I wanted to mention is that they did improve these, and with this new one, they have improved it. They actually added little silicone inserts right here, so when you roll it onto your skin, it's not like I'm going to be inserting a clip right now on how I use this one. I normally keep this upstairs right next to me in my bedroom. Right before I go to sleep, I do my regular skincare routine, and then I'll use the big little rolly thing to just roll all the products into my skin, and then I'll use this little small side to apply either my eye cream or apply just like on the center of my forehead. They do recommend for you to use it for 5 to 10 minutes every night. It's supposed to help with like blood circulation on your skin. It also is really good for like if you have puffiness on your skin. You can just throw it into the fridge for 3 to 5 minutes, take it out, and it's so cold. I love using it cold in the morning because that's when I usually feel like I'm really puffy, or around the time of the month where I feel like my skin or my face just looks puffy. I use this and I just like roll it back and forth. I do it on the forehead. Now this is the gua sha. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Again, it comes together. This one, I've actually been using it mainly for my jawline. The reason why is because I have noticed that during the nighttime, I don't know why, I always clench my teeth or I clench my jaw. There's something in my jaw, but every morning it wakes up so stiff and I feel like my muscles on my jaw are really stiff. Also this one, if you suffer from like headaches, things like that, you can roll it right here. We have some tension points that if you press on them, it's supposed to help you with headaches. Gladly, I don't suffer from any headaches, but yeah, I've been using it for my jaw and also for my neck just to lift things up. We don't want to sag. We want to be up. Now let's move on to some jewelry. Okay, so jewelry, I recently placed an order and I got some hair accessories. I actually got these because of Nicole Guerrero here on YouTube. If you guys know who she is one of my absolute favorite OG what's it called, beauty influencers. I decided to order me some hair clips. Now let me pull up my little Amazon card and figure out how much these were, because these were super affordable. So this was a 10-piece hair clip and I paid $9.99, which really isn't bad. I was looking at some hair clips at Ulta and they were like $10 for one. So yeah, I got a deal. So this one is my favorite. It is a little pearl little brochecito, and these are so cute. You can literally wear them any way you want, and I just think that these would make such a cute outfit. You just pop them on, and they are like super big, but these are in style right now. It also came with 2 of these, which are pretty much like the same prints, except this one is like a long little clip and this one is squared. It also came with this little pearl one, which again, super cute. Now this one isn't like an alligator, no, not an alligator clip, but this one, I don't know what they're called. It also came with these. I really wanted these because they're like super like summer appropriate with the baby blue, the pink, and again, it comes with a little rectangle, squared, whatever shape this is, and then with this more oval shaped one. These again, same thing, just different pattern, different color, and oh my god, these are so pretty. And then the last ones that I have here are also the pearl ones. So this one is a smaller version of the last one that I just showed you guys, and then this one is this shape instead of being a squared one. Next up is earrings. I bought a lot. So this one is a 12 pair acrylic hoop earrings. It comes with different styles, and I paid $19.99 for 12 pairs. That's not bad. These were part of the 12 pairs that I ordered, and I did lose the back earrings. This is what they look like, and they went perfect with my shirt today. So this is pair number 1, and again, these actually look very similar. I wonder. Ooh, I bet you could probably wear these because they are very similar. Maybe that'd be too much, but these are cute, simple, little, small hoop earrings. Again, I usually love my hoops to be bigger, like big. The bigger the hoops, the bigger the heart. It also came with these, which I was wearing in my previous video. These are just like white turquoise earrings. It also came with these. These are, now these, I don't know how I feel about them. I have to try them because I'm not used to this style of earrings, but again, I wanted to step out of my comfort zone. So these also came in the pack, and they're like little black and white leaves. These are some of my favorite. I wish these were a little bit bigger though. Like I think that would just make them cute. It also came with another set of these. These are more like a brown camel. These are so stunning. They're like turquoise, brown, and white. And these, oh, I can just see them with some cute ass makeup. They also came with these, and you do have the choice of choosing the style of earrings that you want. These are the style number 2. It also came with these. These are pretty much the same thing as the ones that I'm wearing right now, and these are not too big either, but they're like a little bit bigger than these, which I like that. And then the last ones that I have are these, which actually these would have gone really cute with my outfit because it's so like tropical. But yeah, these are super cute as well. I think all of these earrings would look really cute with like a off-the-shoulder top. Yes. Since we finished talking about jewelry, I wanted to show you guys this acrylic jewelry organizer, and it's the one that is right up there. I'm actually going to bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see what I have. I haven't fully got it like full yet, but that's why I ordered. That was my reasoning behind ordering more jewelry, so I can actually store it. So this was actually sent to me by the owner of Pretty Display, which is the display that is up there. So this retails for $29.99. This is a luxury 3-piece clear hanging jewelry holder for necklaces, bracelets, rings, watches, accessories, pretty much anything that has to do with jewelry. What I like about it is that if you guys can see, let me see if I can see. So as you can see up here, this is where I have my earrings. So it actually has like a little hook that you put, and that's where you can put either stud earrings or hoop earrings. On this bottom part, it actually comes, like I said, it's a 3-piece little set. And again, I will be showing you guys a close-up. You guys are probably seeing that right now. This bottom one right here is actually where you can hang either watches, your necklaces, anything that is like a dangly type of jewelry. You can definitely put it here. As you guys can see, I have some of my necklaces, and one of these are one of those things that I feel like it's more of a necessity, especially if you are a jewelry person, if you like rings, earrings, bracelets, watches, whatever it is, and you don't have a jewelry organizer. I really recommend this one, and it's pretty, so you can put it up for display. This is why I took down that little frame that I had and put it up there, because I just wanted to display my jewelry. I know that I've mentioned this in, I think, a favorites video before, but because I bought it on Amazon, I figured, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys the actual product. And this is the little laptop holder that I've been using for the past few months. If you guys don't know, I do all my editing myself. I am a one-man show. I film myself, I edit, I do everything, me, myself, and I. And so sometimes, you know, I just want to chill, I want to relax, I want to be watching Netflix, I want to be watching freaking a crime show, whatever it is, and I just want to chill in my bed, chill on my couch. And it's so exhausting on my hands and on my back if I'm just like, you know, slouched over editing. So I decided to invest into this, and this has been a life changer. All you do is you pull out the little legs from here like this, and you just prop it up on your couch, on your bed, wherever it is, and you put your laptop on the top, and your hands are right here, which is perfect. No more slouching and no more like bending over. Oh, this has just made such a huge difference. If you guys work from home, if you guys are on your laptop a lot, really consider investing into one of these. I think it was about 40 or 50 bucks, which it's kind of a lot for a product like this, but honestly, it's going to be worth every single penny. Moving on to the last two products that I wanted to mention to you guys. These are it right here. This one is a little facial face wash thing. I've been wanting one of these for so long. I actually wanted the original one, the Clarisonic, I believe, but those are so expensive. And I do have a Clarisonic, the one that has with the brush. I do have a Clarisonic, the one that has a little brush head. These are the silicone. This one was, I believe, $23. This is, again, a silicone face cleaning brush. What? Oh my god, I've been loving this so much. So what I like about this is that it has different, oh, I need a burp. It has different speeds. So once you turn it on, I don't know if you guys can hear this. It's vibrating, and it has a little plus and minus sign. And so you can turn it up, and you can just, I don't know, use different speeds. I don't know what the difference is, to be completely honest. I just turn it on. I turn it up one. I apply my face wash all over, and then I'll grab a little bit of water, and I'll just start doing circular motions. I mainly use this side. I don't know why. I just feel it more comfortable in my hand. And then if I ever really need to get deep into my pores, then I switch it to this side. This side has thicker silicone little bristles. They're a little bit wider. So I feel like these are perfect for getting deep into your pores, which, hello, I have huge pores. So I'm just always cautious with products and things like that. So yeah, I really been liking this. If you guys want a really good silicone brush, try this. And then the very last product that, oh, I just love this, and I feel like it's made a difference in my hair, is this little brush. This is by the brand Max Soft, and so many brands have come out with a little hair brush. I do use this one about once or twice a week, and the reason why is because I do a cleanse on my hair. I don't wash my hair very often, maybe once or twice a week. So when I do use this, I like to use it with a clarifying shampoo, purifying shampoo. The one that I use is a knockoff brand from Paul Mitchell, and it has like what's it called, mint on it, and it just cleanses your hair from impurities, buildup, oil, dead skin, all that nasty stuff that you don't think you have in your scalp. You probably do. I really recommend for you guys to do cleanses with either a shampoo or apple cider vinegar. But yeah, this one, again, I just use it to really exfoliate my scalp but get all that gunk out, and this helps promote healthy hair. I don't know if that's true. I haven't been using it for that long, but I really enjoy it. Highly recommend this one if you are just looking to really cleanse your scalp. I like it. And it's also silicone, so it doesn't hurt. And that is it, you guys. These are all the products that I recommend, that I love. These are my absolute favorite products from Amazon, whether I need them or want them, they're all great products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found something to add to your carts, and let me know what is in your carts, because I definitely have so much stuff on my Amazon cart that I'm like, do I need it? So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell so you can be notified with all my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!